Hi, so now we are going to see the new task which has been released in the Bitrix24. So as it is, when you create a task, okay, the top is a task name. You can click this task name and then just type, for example, let's take, daily follow-up. So this is the task name, okay, and then you can write a description. As it is, you can use a copilot, you know. So this is similar to the say, the old task, and you can use the same format. So if you didn't check my old videos, you can go and check my old videos. So same format only, title and description. You can use the checklist, copilot. Copilot will create a checklist from this description. So what are the description you are giving, it will create a checklist. Or copilot also will generate, helping a, a description. These two option is available. And you can also click this. If you click this, it will give a detailed pop-up where you can use all the format the buttons here to create a description. Okay. So once it is done, as it is, whoever is creating the task, they will be the owner. You can also change the owner, assignee, same. You can also add another assignee also. And then deadline. You can keep the deadline, which date, tomorrow, however you want, you can keep a deadline with the time. And then there is a setting is available. This setting is require approval upon completion. Enable this. As soon as the assignee marks the task is completed, it will be submitted to you for review. You can approve the task, we will close it, or return the task for revision. So whoever the creator will get the notification that they have to approve the task. Okay, this is the thing. And then set a default deadline for all new tasks. So you can also have this format. Assignee can change the deadline. If you want, you can give this. Skip weekends. Again, if you want, you can give this. Auto complete task when all subtasks are being completed, vice versa. If you want, you can enable this option. Okay. And then here comes the add task status summary. So the next option is task status summary. This is nothing but if you we are just concluding this task on this the final point. So that is the use of this. What will be the final point? And this final point also you can add multiple final point. Okay, this, let's see, this is a final point one. You can also add final point two. Final point one, final point two. So this is the status, the whole task summary. So this you can update gradually whenever you want. Okay. And then we have files where you can upload the files. There are so many options are there. We can use this and upload the files. Okay. And we have checklist you can keep however you want. Once the checklist has been saved, it will be coming like this. Okay. And then next is project. Similar, if you want to add to any project, you can add to that project. Okay. Participant, if you want to add any participant, you can add that participant. Okay. Observer, you can add the observer however you want. Okay. And flow, if there is any existing flow is running, you can add that flow. If not, you can create a flow and then you can add that flow here itself. And tags, you can keep, so if you want any tags, you can keep those tags here. Okay. And reminder, you can also keep a reminder for your assignee or task owner or participant or self, a specific point or deadline. You can you can keep these reminders. Okay. Deadline also. Okay. And this reminder how you want, either you want in notification or via email. So this option you can keep it while creating the task. Okay. Now coming here, CRM item, if you want to integrate with any CRM here, you can also integrate from here. Okay. Parent task, if there is any parent task, you can add those tasks here. Okay. And then subtask, you can add a subtask when this task has been created. Okay. Related task, if there is any related task, you can add the related task, or you can create the related task and you can add it here. Okay. And Gantt, it is right? It is dependable task. So finish to start, start to start. The current and dependent task start simultaneously. The current task will start only after the dependent task has been completed. So you can choose however the task should be, formulated, and you can add those tasks. Can task. Time planning, of as you know, you can keep the when this task should start and when this task should end. Like that you can keep. So here you can choose, as in you can edit the start and due dates, skip weekends, use subtask start due dates. If you want, we can enable these options. Okay. And then coming to last one, time tracking. Time tracking is nothing but the actual hours should be spent for this task. We are just making sure that this task should only run for 2 hours 30 minutes. So like this you can fix the actual times which has to be spent for this task. And the final option is custom fields. That is, you want to add any kind of custom fields, you can add those fields. No, you can click also add a string, number, date, true or false. According to that you can add, you can keep it. So these are the options are available in this new version of the task. Okay, and once task has been created, so you will see all the details which is coming here in the left side, and then the right side there is a comment. You can put the comments here, over the ones in the comments here, and you can also use the recording, and then you can put an emojis also here, and you can also attach a file or a task or event meeting. You can conduct an event meeting here itself and you can send it. Okay, and whatever the links you have sent, it will be here. The links, the send, it will be here. The favorite messages you mark, it will be here. So reply, copy, edit, create, add to task summary, pin, copy, create meeting, and you can click, like, so you can also do react to the, however you want, you can do this. So no, if you come lower, you can also add to favorite here. So now you can see this one comment is very favorite for you, and the link similarly, however what are the link you put, it will be here, and what are the files you copy, see it is coming here. Okay, again the meeting you put, it will be here. The whole task history will be here. Okay, everything will be in the right side, and you can also have a video call, voice call, and Zoom meeting. Okay, and you can click the start, then the task will start running. Okay, and if you want to pass, you can pass the task. See, the time is running here. Okay, so see, time is running here, and you can keep the pass here. So the command will be changing as a pass, and if you are before completing, you will click complete. Okay, you can also delegate the task to some other person, whoever you want. Okay, you can also rate this task like positive task, or it's going negative way, or maybe a manager can rate this task. Okay, now coming here, you can also create a subtask if you want. Okay, so you click here, you can create a subtask. Okay, here if you go here we can also make this an important task. You can put high priority task, or you can remove the high priority task, or you can also add to favorite task and follow this task. Mute this task, create another task, create subtask, copy task ID. These are the options are available here. You can use these options. So this is the whole new task features which has been involved here. Okay, if you have any doubt, just put a comment here. We'll happy to help you out. Okay, thank you.
Please like and subscribe this channel to get more videos about the upcoming business-changing softwares in the market that can boost and increase your revenue and productivity faster.